Hello, welcome back. So, start of a new project, trial. Did a whole bunch of research on stuff and ordered a bunch of stuff. So, these are tracks, some LED lights, and probably put links in there or whatever, but some sources that I got information from. These were recommended. One thing that wasn't real clear was these are white. The corners that go with these things, it didn't say the color, it just said it was for this model. The corners are silver. So, it won't really be noticeable because the white covers go on these things. Should all look pretty similar. The other thing that they recommended was using the 3M strips. I don't want to screw into the track here, so I think I'm going to give that a whirl, see how that works out. So we'll put this corner piece up and two pieces as a trial today, and go from there with the rest whenever the rest of the stuff comes in. These are too big for the corners, so I think I'm going to use it to hold the corner and the stuff. The other tip I found was to put this at an angle so you can get to the tab, and make sure to remove it if you need to. Couldn't find where I saw that tip on some video. I tried finding it, but whatever. So we're gonna try that. So I guess next step will be sticking this stuff up on the corner. I also come with these little clips, but they're the ones that you need the screws for. Yeah, so don't scratch up the stuff. I guess that'll work. Doesn't stand out too much. Already found one issue. There's a sensor in the way. So I don't know if I'll move that or go around it somehow. I decided to move it, so put up one more section. Let me get these diffusers, covers. I'm going to see if it'll span the bridge there and line that up better. also recommend not having the diffusers line up with the channels. So I'm going to give that a whirl too. I had mentioned before the raceways came in white, and these corners said they were for those raceways, but they're silver. So I tried spray painting one of them, and it doesn't look too bad. The part that you're going to see, that part. I'm just going to do one more coat on this to get like up here, because when it's upside down, that's what you see on the ceiling. The other thing is these are really hard to get in here. Difficult to put together. So maybe I'll grab the tripod and show you that. So if the diffusers are in here, you gotta pull them out first. Get them away from the spray paint zone. These like are kind of too wide. And once they get partially in, they could get stuck. There we go. They get one side in, and you kind of get the other side. Or you can try sliding it in, but it scrapes the metal. I'm trying to avoid that. So you kind of get both sides up the lip. Just a little bit wider. There we go. And then if there's a gap, you can't really slide it without, ouch, stabbing yourself. See, there's still a little bit of a gap in the corner. And I haven't really been able to get rid of that. Actually, it's the best one I've had so far. Now we'll just spray paint it white so it doesn't stand out as much. It's the existing one that I installed. Bad. How are you? Look at that. Corner looks good, but the little side looks like I missed the second coat. Make sure I get this slip there, so you see that from the bottom. Break my finger. Yep. Oh, you might need two coats no matter what. All right, so then we just let that dry. Howdy. So I need to cut some metal. So we're gonna show how to change the blade on this on the chop saw. So on mine at least, there is this bit-in tool. So step one is to unplug it. I already did that. Might need a flathead screwdriver. Yeah, need a flathead. Be right back. Okay, screwdriver. There's a screw right here. Loosen it more. Need to get past that tab. Oh, what am I missing here? Still wasn't out far enough. There we go. So once that's out far enough, it exposes this bolt. And then there's a lock on the other side of the blade. There we go. There we go. All right. So that all the way out. Take this thing off. And the blade comes off. Know that there's a front of new blade. This thing back in. Screw back in. I guess it's a reverse thread. Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, lock button again. Crank that down. The doohickey back. Boom. I need two hands to do this, apparently. There we go. Let's tight the guard. Behaves like it's supposed to. Alright. Then we gotta plug it back in and measure all that good stuff. We need a 10 and 5/8. I don't know which way. 10 and 5/8. It's not plugged in yet. Right there. Plug it back in. Lots of noise and lots of sparks. Probably. It wasn't as sparky as I thought it would be. Alright, that's it.